Tucked away in your kitchen cabinet, likely nestled between cinnamon and nutmeg, sits a tiny, unassuming spice with a powerful secret. What if I told you that this common ingredient, often reserved for holiday baking, holds the key to unlocking a cascade of health benefits while you rest? We're talking about a simple nightly ritual that could dramatically improve your digestion, help stabilize your blood sugar levels, gently reduce systemic inflammation, and even give your hardworking liver a supportive boost, all while you're sound asleep. For centuries, we've reached for cloves to add a warm, aromatic depth to our favorite recipes. Most people appreciate them solely for their distinctive flavor and fragrance, completely unaware of their profound medicinal properties. But the truth is, the real magic of this ancient spice is unlocked not in a pie, but in a simple cup of water. Very few people know what truly happens inside your body when you consistently drink clove water just before heading to bed. This simple practice can trigger a series of positive changes that support your body's natural overnight repair and rejuvenation processes. However, this potent remedy isn't for everyone. Due to its powerful compounds, there are specific situations and health conditions where it should be used with caution, or even avoided entirely. Understanding who falls into this category is just as crucial as knowing the benefits. So, let's explore the science, the benefits, and the essential safety guidelines together. It's time to break it all down. When you hold a clove, you're holding more than just a common kitchen spice. You're holding a piece of history, a tiny, powerful package of wellness. But what exactly are these fragrant, nail-shaped objects? Cloves are the unopened, aromatic flower buds of the clove tree, known scientifically as Syzygium aromaticum. Native to the legendary Spice Islands of Indonesia, these trees produce delicate pink buds that are handpicked just before they blossom. Once harvested, they are dried under the sun until they turn a deep, reddish brown, concentrating their potent oils and locking in that unmistakable aroma. Their very name comes from the Latin word clavus, meaning nail, a nod to their unique shape. For centuries, these precious buds were a cornerstone of global trade and revered in traditional healing systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for their remarkable properties. So, what is the secret behind their enduring power? The answer lies primarily in one key compound: eugenol. This powerful molecule, which makes up the majority of the clove's essential oil, is a potent natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It's the source of the clove's medicinal magic and the reason it has captivated healers and chefs for millennia. And understanding this compound is where things get truly interesting. If you often find your evenings spoiled by feeling heavy, bloated, or uncomfortably gassy, you're not alone. That discomfort can make it difficult to relax and get the restorative sleep you need. But a simple, warm cup of clove water before bed might be the gentle solution you've been looking for. This humble spice works by encouraging your body to produce more digestive enzymes. These enzymes are crucial for breaking down food efficiently, preventing it from sitting in your gut and fermenting, the process that creates excess gas and pressure. Furthermore, research published in the National Library of Medicine highlights that compounds in cloves may improve gastric motility. This means they help keep things moving smoothly through your digestive system, reducing traffic jams that lead to discomfort. The result? A calmer, more settled stomach as you drift off to sleep. And the wonderful feeling of waking up lighter, less bloated, and ready to start your day feeling refreshed and comfortable. This is especially important if you're over 40. Clove extracts have shown potential in supporting insulin sensitivity in preliminary studies. That doesn't mean it replaces medication, but taken consistently, it may help stabilize nighttime glucose spikes. And stable blood sugar overnight, mean better sleep, plus less belly fat storage. Chronic inflammation is the silent driver of joint stiffness, fatigue, brain fog. Eugenol acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Some laboratory studies show it may reduce oxidative stress markers. Less oxidative stress, better cellular repair while you sleep. Your body repairs at night. Clove compounds may support that process. Your liver works hardest at night. Clove antioxidants may support liver enzyme balance and help combat oxidative damage. But here's the key: more is not better. Overuse can irritate the stomach or thin the blood. Avoid or consult your doctor if you take blood thinners, you have bleeding disorders, you have sensitive stomach ulcers, you're pregnant. Clove is powerful. Natural doesn't mean unlimited. Simple recipe: 4 to 5 whole cloves, 1 cup hot, not boiling water. Steep, 10-15 minutes. Drink 30-60 minutes before bed. Do not exceed 1 cup per day. Consistency beats excess. Now here's something most people don't realize. Clove water works even better when combined with one other common kitchen ingredient. If you'd like me to make a video about that combination, comment clove below. Have you ever tried clove water? Did you notice anything? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more evidence-based natural remedies that actually make sense, subscribe and turn on notifications, because not every viral remedy is safe, and not every safe remedy goes viral.